And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. Been finding ways to get away, to see you again, see you again.
Everyone gets hurt sometimes. It's okay to tell. You don't have to hide. Person or dragon, tiny or tall. Sometimes we tumble and sometimes we fall. Everyone gets hurt sometimes. As brave as you are,
I still get broken parts.
it'll just make you stronger inside. Everyone gets hurt sometimes.
So fragile,
Like it was built to break.
off the handle.
How'd we get to this place?
We're leaving everything behind for new and exciting